Guys, Trent here, 4x4 Works. Want to take a second and shoot a small video for all you Grand Cherokee lovers out there. We've got in the shop today a 99 Grand Cherokee, and we're doing a few things to it. Among one of those things that we're doing is we're installing these pocket style fender flares. I wanted to take a video in the middle to kind of give you the contrast from what it looks like on and off. I'm going to do another short video when they're all on and sitting on the ground, but thought I'd take a second while we're in mid-stall and kind of show you the difference in the contrast. I didn't make a before video, but they're looking pretty cool. So even if you've got an older Jeep, if it's a Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, whatever, 4x4works.com can help you make it just a little bit more badass. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. And I'll tell you, a transformation, a lift, wheels, tires, and fender flares will make. Of course, we didn't add the lift to this particular one. The customer already had it, but look at those flares. And they're a bugger to put on, I'll be honest. They weren't easy. It took a really long time. But now that I see it come to fruition, I'm amazed and pleased. 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The customer has amazing taste. This thing's got less than 100,000 miles on it, ladies and gentlemen. Brand new, this thing is expensive. You wouldn't believe how much. Well, I suppose you would. They're like $40,000, $50,000. All right. Well, in case you're wondering why you're looking at my face, it's Trent. It's 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Thank you so much for watching one of my videos on the awesome stuff that we do here. If you got something that you want awesome done to it, give me a shout, 469-424-0028. Check that on Facebook, 4x4works.com, or come by and see me in McKinney, Texas. Thank you so much. Bye.